How to create a post, alert or event using One. Open One Business app. Tap on the circular icon here. 3 new icons will appear. The exclamation icon is for creating alert messages. The post icon is for sharing photos, documents, files or links. The calendar icon here is for creating events. Let us click on the post icon. Choose a title for your post. I am writing Annual Day Celebration. You can also write a body message for this post. Attach photos, documents or videos by selecting one of the options listed below. You can choose to allow comments on your messages by toggling the comment switch. Click on the arrow button now and choose Users. You can broadcast your post to all your users or to specific groups that you have created, or select them individually. Hit the send button and your post is shared. Your users can like and comment on your post and engage with you. When you open the post, you will find 3 icons on the top of the screen. Know who has seen your posts by clicking on the history icon. Click on the share icon to share this post to other platforms. Are you ready to engage with your users?